All right, y'all. We're gonna talk about this trade that was from Wednesday morning, pretty much. We didn't really have no top side of a range to gauge anything on, except for um this previous quickly previous resistance sitting at this level here. So I mean, I wanted buys. Um, it gave everything it was actually that it was supposed to give. To be honest, this one was really pretty much just a loser. So like, it's just nothing that would have been done. Like even if I wanted sales, and then we had this break here. Let me go to 1 or 2. It's possible. It's possible we would have moved stop loss into profit, but I mean it still didn't hit the 1 or 2. So I mean, I think buys or sells was pretty much a loss on Wednesday morning. And yeah, let me just go to replay mode. Go to the daily here. So I mean, I pretty much seen it going either way. Like something like a 1, 2, 3 candle. You got a bullish candle, bearish candle, and then another bullish candle. Or I also could have seen price just coming back in here, but like down here and then close up in here. You know what I mean? To just have the retest on this daily key level. But I mean, pretty much like the whole week was just manipulation. Like pretty much, bro. The week wasn't that well. Um, so let's go ahead and fast forward to Thursday morning. So I mean, pretty much based on the daily here. Um, I was expecting buys out of this as well, just because we already came and tapped in here. We pushed, had a pretty much a bearish engulfing candlestick, but the only thing is here, it was no way to get into the market except waiting on this retest. And when I did wait on the retest, like I don't know, I pretty much just didn't like the trade anymore. Also, like I just didn't like it, so I didn't take it, and I'm glad I didn't take it because this would have been back to back. This would have been a back to back. Like the setups to market that GU's throwing um wasn't the best. So we'll let that play out. So I mean, this would have been. It's like it always do what you needed to do after the fact of fucking you over. So I mean, let me just put this back. And then I did not trade on Friday as well. Now there was an entry, so we already done tapped into this daily key level. So you would expect price to react off of it, pretty much. If you waited for the retest here after the break of the range, this is, I would say, an A setup, honestly. You would have got saved, man. It would have got saved. Just barely, but it would have got saved. Um, but I was doing some other work, pretty much, and I just didn't want to trade on Friday, so I just didn't trade. Like, but this would have been a win as well. But yeah, those are the trades from the last 3 days of last week. So we took this loss on Wednesday, no trade Thursday, no trade Friday. Thursday would have been a loss, and Friday would have been a win. And yeah. So y'all let me know what y'all think. And I'll see y'all tonight.